Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady and I am working with the company ISEEHAIR. Today I am showing you guys all the goodies, all the gifts. I got an elastic band, a wig cap, the ISEE brochure, which is tips and tricks and how to take care of your hair. And then I also got the little packaging that the hair came in. This is their ISEE Princess hair series. As you guys see, this is their Brazilian hair. It is a 13x4 lace wig, ginger lace wig, and it is 180 density and 26 inches. Get into it. This wig does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. And as you guys see, I did show you guys all the combs. They came intact. Everything looks good, like so. And the lace was transparent, I believe. I don't think it was HD, but it was still giving what it was supposed to give. Now, taking my eyebrow razor, I am going in and cutting off the excess lace. I started in the middle and I'm just working my way to one side and then to the other, like so. Any extra lace that you see, as you guys are going to see, I'm going to go in and cut off with my cuticle scissors. And yeah, this wig was so easy to install. I feel like once after I bleached the knots, like the lace was just melting into my skin and it wasn't even adhered down. So it was just making the process so simple. So as you guys can see, it's already given scalp kinda, and I haven't done anything but cut the lace off. Here I am going on the other side. I'm just using the eyebrow razor like I said, and then any extra lace that I see, I go in and cut that off with my cuticle scissors. Once that's done, we're going to get ready to clean the perimeter of our hairline with some alcohol. Those of you who follow me already know how I get down, boo. This is going to be a glueless install using my Even Wonder hairspray, but yeah. Take your time with cutting your lace. Once you like the cutting of your lace and the way it's laying, once you get the idea, you think it's cute, you want to go ahead, like I said, clean the perimeter of your hairline. Once we do that, we're going to get ready to install, and we will be doing a glueless install. Going in with my 70% alcohol and a cotton swab, I'm just going to clean off the perimeter of my hairline. If you have any makeup or any dirt, debris, grimy, anything, product, you want to get that off beforehand. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Even Wonder spray. Here is that. I got that from my local beauty supply store. I will be doing 2 layers using the blow dryer in between. Take your time. This I prefer more than got to be glued hairspray. I find that this one lasts a little longer and it's not as messy as the got to be. As you guys see, I'm going in with my Songbird blow dryer and I'm got this on a low heat setting. I only use it for about 2-3 minutes in between, and then I go in with my second layer and I will be gently placing the lace down. Once that's done and tacky, well, you know, once the lace is once the hairspray is tacky and tacky enough to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and gently place the lace down with my fingers like so. Here I was just rolling down my ball cap that was coming up, but as you guys can see, you just want to gently place the lace down like so. I started in the middle just so I can get an idea, and then I'm going on each side to make sure everything's laying correctly before we adhere that down. Then you want to repeat the same process you did in the middle on each side like so, using your blow dryer in between until it's fully dry. Once that's done, we're going to tie everything down and we're going to get into styling. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Nutrients Silk Stick, and this is just a wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to put that on my hairline and on my part just to make sure everything is laying flat. And then I'm going to take my hot comb that I also purchased from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to press out my hair one good time before we tie everything down. You want to make sure everything's flat. You don't want no humps, no lumps, no bumps. You want it to look like it's your hair, baby girl, like it's your scalp. So press it out. Don't be afraid to press that hair out. Don't burn yourself and don't burn your lace. You know, don't leave it sitting there, but press your hair out, girl. Like, your hot comb is going to be your best friend when you do frontals. And look how flat that is. Look how flat. Super, super flat. And then I do the same thing that I did down my part. I go down in the front of my hairline just to make sure all my edges and stuff are laid back. Since I will be doing a no baby hair look with this, I wanted everything clean and sleek, slick back. So this is what I'm doing right here. Be careful with your ears, y'all. I nicked my little, I didn't nick it, but I hit my little ear right there and that burned. So be careful. But yeah, y'all get into this lace. Like, ISEEHAIR, y'all come through with it, come through, because it's giving what it's supposed to give, baby girl. This is what the lace is looking like, and we haven't even tied it down yet. Get into it, get into it. It's definitely giving scalp. You can't tell me otherwise. Now I'm going to tie that down with my elastic band, and we are going to go in with the Got to Be Glued hairspray, and I will be using my crimp iron. Now, I did not notice that my little mirror was, you know, in my camera view, but hopefully that don't bother y'all like it bothered me. Just ignore it. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I crimp my hair. I did use my Ion Radiance crimp iron, and I got this from my local beauty supply store, or Sally beauty supply store, and I think it was about 80 bucks. But I'm starting in the bottom, well, in the back towards my head, and then working my way up to the top. I'm going to show you guys my whole entire left side, and then I'm going to come back finished with the final look, and we will get into this review and wrap it up. Yeah. Okay, ladies, this is the finished look. Getting to her, getting to her. I am in love with this color, and I think I did a job on the crimps, sis. Like, getting to it. Tell me this isn't giving scalp. Tell me that's not my hair with no baby hair. That's definitely my hair. That's definitely scalp. Wig wear? Lace who? No, I'm just playing. But again, guys, this is ISEEHAIR. This is their princess collection. This is their 13x4 lace wig in their ginger color. I did get it in 26 inches and 180 density. Get into it, get into it. This hair was so cute and so full. It was super shiny, luster, giving me what it's supposed to give. Like, the hair held the crimps very well, lasted me all night, and it did not take me long to do this hair, y'all. Like, I'm in love, in love. Perfect for the fall. I can pop out Thanksgiving, being the baddest bitch in the living room. Like, what? But y'all already know how I'm coming. Again, my name is Hypnotic Lady. Thank you guys for watching. This is the company ISEE Beauty Hair. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you want to see more colored videos, you want to see more crimps. Tell me what you want to see, what you don't want to see, baby. Let me know. We're going into a new year, so, you know, I'm dropping gems, trying to get ready and refreshed and ready for the new year, 2022, baby. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell, ladies. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.